Most decorators don't have a work problem. They have a visibility problem. When someone types painter and decorator near me into Google, a shortlist shows up on the map. That's where the work is won or lost. And one of the biggest reasons a customer clicks one decorator over another is reviews. Not Facebook likes, not qualifications listed, reviews. Today I'm going to show you a simple, practical system to get more decorating jobs using Google reviews. No ads, no begging, no gimmicks. First, your Google business profile has to look real. Refer to this excellent example from Prodec Painters Ltd. Make sure your trading name is correct. Your phone number works. Your service area is set. Add proper job photos, before and after shots, empty rooms, close-ups of finish, your actual services, interior painting, exterior painting, wallpapering, not just decorator. A website is a benefit. If your profile looks half done, people assume your work is the same. Second, make it easy for customers to leave a review. Inside your Google business profile, get your direct review link. Save it in your phone. Create a shortcut so you can send it in seconds. No searching around while the customer stands there. Now, here's where most decorators go wrong. They either forget to ask, or they ask badly. You don't ask at the start of the job. You don't ask weeks later. You ask at sign-off. You've finished. The room is clean. Dust sheets folded. You do the final walk-round. The client says, "Looks great." That's the moment. You say, "Glad you're happy. Quick favor. Google reviews really help a small business like mine. I'll send you a link. Takes 30 seconds. Short. Normal. No big speech. Then you send the link straight away. Now here's the important bit. Most customers don't know what to write. So they type, "Great job." That doesn't help you much. After you've asked, you should try to guide them. You say, "If you can mention what we did and the area, that helps. Like hall stairs and landing in Wolverhampton, or full redecoration in Coventry. And anything you were happy with. Tidy, on time, protected floors." These are key points in good reviews. The what, where, and praise. You're not scripting them, you're helping them be useful. Then, once the review is live, you reply. Always reply. Not with business waffle, not with essays. Just, "Thanks, John. Appreciate it. Glad you're happy with the kitchen redeck in Eastgate. If you need anything in future, give me a shout." Future customers will read your replies. It shows you're active and professional. Now, let me show you how to increase the number of reviews you actually get. Because asking alone isn't enough. Most decorators rely on a text message and hope for the best. A better system is physical. I use a simple review flyer. When the job is complete, I leave it behind with the invoice. It's clean, professional. It has a large QR code that takes them straight to the review page. No typing, no searching. It also includes simple instructions on how to leave a useful review. Mention the job type. Mention the area. Mention what stood out. The flyer does 3 things. It reminds them. It makes it easy. And it increases the chances they actually do it. People are more likely to act when there's something physical in front of them. It stays on the kitchen side. It doesn't get lost in WhatsApp messages. You leave it. You still send the link, but now you've doubled your chances.
Do this consistently and something changes. You start getting inquiries that say, "We saw your reviews." You get fewer time wasters. You get less price shopping. You walk into quotes with trust already built. You don't need 200 reviews overnight. You need steady reviews. Every month. Ongoing. This isn't complicated. It's just structured. Google profile. Review link. Ask for review at handover. Guide what they mention. Reply properly. Or leave the QR flyer. I've prepared a mock-up of the flyer with a QR layout. It also has the wording that tells customers how to leave a strong review. It's the same one as in this video. Download it and make your own version to suit your business. Or you can have some professionally designed and printed. You'll find a link in the description. If you want more straight business advice for decorators, not brush technique, hit like and subscribe. The work is out there. Make sure Google shows your profile when people search.